Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be walking you through this really simple, really easy 10-minute chickpea curry recipe. I love this so much because one, it's quick and easy to do and it tastes so good considering how simple the ingredients are. So I'm just going to leave all the information in the description box below. So I started off with some cherry tomatoes, cut those in half, and then what you need is 2 tins of chickpeas that you've washed and drained, or rinsed and drained rather, and some ginger and, I can't remember what this is anymore, I did it so long ago, ginger and garlic paste, and some turmeric and some medium curry as well. Really and truly, you really want to use fresh garlic and fresh ginger, but if you want to make it in less time, then this is the cheat for you. And then I use some creamed coconut. I use the Blue Dragon brand, and it's so much easier if you let this soften up at room temperature instead of storing it in the fridge, which makes it so much easier to chop up finely like this. This is so that it's just easier to melt in the dish when we throw it in at the end. And I'm just going to set that aside. And then I have some mango chutney. Make sure you get the orange kind, not the brown kind. I don't know if that makes any difference, but I find the brown kind has a higher vinegar content and you don't want that. And then I'm going to add some tomato paste in there and some vegetable stock mixed in with some boiling hot water, and we can get straight into cooking it. So I heat up some olive oil on medium heat, and then I throw in basically all the spices and the ginger and garlic paste. And what you want to do is just fry this up for about 3 or so minutes so that the fragrance and the spices and the flavors are all released. And then throw in your puree and then just mix that up as well. And after that's been frying for a little bit, I just throw in the chickpeas and fry them down as well. Just mixing well, and so that every single chickpea is coated and well saturated. And I let that fry as well for another 2 or so minutes. Add in the cherry tomatoes just so that they soften up a little bit. I'm not really a fan of like crunchy tomatoes in this kind of dish. I throw in the stock and stir that through and let it simmer for about 3, 4, 5 minutes, just until it's as soft as you like. I know that some people like their chickpeas to be cooked well through, but for me, I don't really mind, especially if you want to cook and eat straight away. And then I'm just going to throw in the coconut cream and the mango chutney mixture, and you can see already that looks so rich and so delicious. So I simmer that down, and then I add in some spinach. Obviously you need your greens, which I've wilted just by pouring some boiling hot water over them over the sink. And then I'm just going to throw that in and mix it together, and literally that is it. It's actually really, really simple, really easy, but the flavors are so good. Like sometimes we feel like we have to add in so many different spices and whatnot, but literally this is all. But what I'd like to note as well is then at this point you can add some salt and some pepper to taste, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's just so simple. I feel like I've got more to say, but I really don't, because this is literally the recipe, which I served with some brown rice and some naan bread, which looks really dry because it was didn't warm it up, so it's just a bit stiff and it just broke off. But anyway, you get the point. So I topped it off with some Nigella seeds, and then obviously, because I love, if you know me, you know that I love coriander, cilantro, whichever one you call it. I love it so much, so I'll literally sprinkle that on top. So yeah, this is a complete recipe. Let me know if you guys do try it out. I'd love to know what you think. If you want to see me do more food videos like this, super quick and easy recipes, then let me know in the comments below. So make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.